When Jado's not playing around with some animals, watering some plants, driving his little car, or even studying in the library, guess where he could be? Your guess is right. He would be in the kitchen preparing some yummy recipes with Mommy. Let us see what he prepared for us this week. Today we'll do some dessert with baby Jado, little Chef Jado. We'll start by peeling the bananas. You peel the bananas? Actually, banana? Cocoa first? Cacao. You put it first? Peel the bananas. Ashur banana. You peel the banana. Let's peel the banana. Ashur banana. Ashur banana. Another banana. Another banana. Another banana. Okay. Let's put some rose water inside. Jado, you will put it inside. Okay. Rubber Jado. Another one. Another cocoa. We will taste it and then we see if we need another cocoa or not. Some water maybe? Some water? Okay. Put them all of them. Close it. We close. Now let us taste it. Let's taste the dessert made by Jado. Ooh, chocolate dessert. Dessert, yummy. Yummy. See you soon for other recipes.